Joining us now to break down those terms and conditions and what legal rights you have as a customer is attorney Danny Karon. Danny, thanks so much for being here.
Always nice to be here. Thank you.
So I want to start with this. Can you explain this case exactly and why the court sided with Uber?
We talked about what rights folks have. How about what rights you don't have? These awful consumer forced arbitration clauses infect basically every contract we have, whether it be with our cell phone provider, our credit card company, our internet service provider. And what they say buried deep, deep, deep in these contracts where nobody ever sees them is that if you have a problem with the company, they hurt you, they steal from you, they do whatever, you can't take them to court. You forfeit your Seventh Amendment right to a jury trial, which is guaranteed under the U.S. Constitution. Pretty darn big deal. And instead, you have to resolve your dispute in this black box, secret forum, secret tribunal, where the bad guy picks the arbitrator, pays for the arbitrator, which means about 97.5% of the time the data show you're going to lose. And that's what's going to happen likely to this New Jersey couple here. They can't have their case in court. They're going to arbitration, and they're going to lose because that's the way Uber wants it.
Well, Danny, we also saw a similar situation over the summer. This got a lot of publicity. It involved Disney. What can and should customers do to protect themselves? Because from what you're saying, it sounds like they don't really have a choice. They've got to check that box if they want to use that product or service.
You absolutely don't have a choice because these are what are called adhesion contracts. Whether you sign up for self-service with Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, they all have these clauses in them. You can't shop around. You're going to get jammed any way you go. So what can you do? Know about them. Understand that you're not going to have a claim, but it's the defendant's job to take you out of court. Sue the case in small claims court. Make it not even worth their while to bump you. Instead, it's more expensive to kick you into arbitration. Let them show up in small claims court in some small town somewhere, get a lawyer, and pay your claim rather than kicking you out of court. That is a hack that can sometimes get you around a forced arbitration clause.
All right, it's good information. Attorney Danny Karon, thank you so much for your perspective today. We appreciate it.
Always happy to be here.